Hello, and in this video I'm going to show you how to measure between 2 points in Tinkercad. So basically what you'll need to do is take this ruler right here. If you don't see, just click on this little arrow and you will see this ruler. Now select the point that you want to measure. So I will select this point, and as you can see, you'll basically see something like this if you click on another figure. And if you want to measure the point from this to this point, as you can see, it says 72 millimeters, I guess. Yeah, it is millimeters. And same goes for other parts. So basically, if I want to measure from this point, it goes 67 plus 20. And same for this side, 53 plus 20, this corner, and 53 is this corner. So you get an idea how to measure these. Again, if you want to select different point, you can basically select something like this and you'll be able to measure that. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.